Good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn the de Broglie concept of dual nature of matter. The concept was given by the famous scientist Einstein. His full name was Albert Einstein. He gave the dual nature of light. Number one was wave-like nature and the second is particle nature. It is also known as photon or quantum. See, under quantum he gave, or you can say quantum or you can say particle. Under particle like nature he gave basically two formulas. One was of Planck and other was of scientist Einstein. Planck gave that energy is equal to h nu, that is energy stands for E, nu, that is V, stands for frequency, and h is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.62 into 10 to power minus 34 joule per second. The other scientist Einstein gave the formula E is equal to mc square. So today we will do the calculation of lambda of wave associated with particle or matter wave. First step for this is, according to Planck's quantum theory, E is equal to h nu, as we have discussed earlier. Also, second step, if photon has particle like nature, the formula given by Einstein would be used, that is E is equal to mc square. Let it be your first equation, let it be your second equation. So from equation 1 and 2, hv is equal to mc square. So this nu, how we will write the formula for nu? We know that speed of light, velocity of light is equal to nu into 1 upon lambda. That is, we have read the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength. The relation would be further used. From this, mu is equal to c upon lambda. We will put the value of mu in the from the result of equation 1 and 2. Now c over lambda is equal to mc square. Lambda is equal to h into c over mc square. C will cut with c, so only one c will be left. Hence we got the result that lambda is equal to h over mc, where c is the velocity of light, m is the mass of particle and h is the Planck's constant. De Broglie equation, that is lambda is equal to h over p, where p is momentum, lambda is de Broglie's wavelength and h is Planck's constant. So lambda is directly proportional, inversely proportional to p, that is momentum. Lambda is equal to c over nu for electromagnetic wave. This is the electromagnetic waves diagram. Lambda is equal to h over mv for matter wave, and this is the particle and this is the matter wave representation. So now we will do the derivation to calculate kinetic energy of matter wave. As we know that lambda is equal to h over mv, nu is equal to c over lambda and nu is equal to v over h upon mv. So we will do the calculation and we will get the result that nu is equal to mv square upon h. So now we will put the value of mv square from the formula of kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So 2 into kinetic energy is equal to mv square. We will put the formula of this 2 into kinetic energy mv square in this equation and we will get that nu is equal to 2 into kinetic energy upon h. Hence derived the calculation for the kinetic energy of matter wave. I hope you understood it. Thanks.